When you need that extra level of accuracy for important interviews, focus groups, or client meetings, our human transcription service delivers 99% accuracy that you can trust. Let's walk through the simple process. First, from your VoiceHub dashboard, simply upload your audio or video file by dragging and dropping it or clicking to browse your files. You can even paste a URL if your content is already online. Once your file is uploaded, we'll automatically start creating an AI transcript. Once the file is uploading, you can click the ellipsis to start an order for human transcripts. Or, if you're in the transcript editor, you can click File Details and then select Upgrade to Human Verified. From there, you can customize your order with additional options like verbatim transcription, speaker identification, or timestamps. Before finalizing your order, you'll see your price, and good news! If you have a basic, pro, or enterprise VoiceHub account, you'll automatically receive discounts on all human services, making it even more affordable to get that premium accuracy. Next, you'll simply complete your order and your human transcribed document will be delivered to your VoiceHub account, typically within 24 hours. That's it! VoiceHub makes getting human verified transcripts simple, fast, and affordable.